Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mine with Binance. First, you'll need to set up a Binance account if you don't already have one. This is your gateway to the Binance pool. Once your account is ready, navigate to the mining section and choose the cryptocurrency you wish to mine, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. This initial step is crucial for your mining journey. Next, you'll need the right equipment. Depending on the cryptocurrency, this could be an ASIC miner or a GPU rig. After setting up your hardware, install the necessary mining software. This software acts as the bridge between your miner and the Binance pool. Carefully configure it with the pool's specific settings to ensure proper operation. Now it's time to connect. Within your Binance pool dashboard, you'll find your unique mining account details, including the pool URL and port number. Input these into your mining software's configuration. Double-check for accuracy, then initiate your mining process. Your hardware should now begin hashing and contributing to the Binance pool, earning rewards. Finally, keep an eye on your progress. The Binance pool dashboard provides comprehensive statistics on your mining performance, including your current hash rate and estimated daily earnings. You can track your contributions and rewards in real time. Payouts are usually processed daily and deposited directly into your Binance Spot wallet, making it easy to manage your earnings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.